See, Ola, I've always said that it's more like a technology company. A technology company which has presence in two-wheeler and moving into battery and now has a motorcycle portfolio. Now, if they're able to have this breakthrough moment in battery, which I think if they're able to do it, then Ola really moves to a very different pedestal positioning per se. It's a very competitive market. So far, they've demonstrated, and the proof of the concept of what they've done with the two-wheeler market in terms of innovation and in terms of gaining market share, I think is quite reasonable. Markets know that the future in a sense is moving towards EV and it is moving towards battery storage. So this stock always will be occupying a lot of mind space. The listing has been okay. The response post-listing from institutional investors has been decent. But I think for anyone to say that Ola is going to have a straight line move, I think would not be a fair assessment of what the business has to offer. This is a stock where you take a little bit of leap of faith, bet on Bhavesh and his capability to demonstrate and deliver a technology breakthrough, and then hope that there is a recognition of that sooner than later by the market, because at 100 rupees plus the stock is not entirely cheap. It went public at about 70 rupees. From there went to 150. 150 could easily come down to 100, which it has, 107. So it will be a stock where you will not see, it will not move like a FMCG way. This will be a volatile stock, which is a liquid name where give and take would happen. But a lot really depends on Ola, that how are they able to really move in terms of their motorcycle launch, which will happen in 2025. Because it's a very competitive market, they'll have to compete with the Bajajes and with the Hero MotoCorps of the world. And what are they able to do in terms of their battery moving to the next stage, because that's where also competition is increasing. So it's a technology company which has demonstrated that they have their capabilities, and if they're able to deliver as what markets are expecting, I think the stock could be at a very different level in coming years.